Yeah, hi, this video is for Richard Webster. Richard, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you and it's all working as it should be. Basically, I changed the laser in it. I've given your cogs a good clean as well because they were pretty gummed up, and I've also checked the micro switch. And everything seems to be working as it should be now. There's the system there, and you can see it spinning around and it's playing. I've had it on test now for probably about 5-6 hours, and I'm showing 0 faults on there. So I trust you're happy with this. Any problems, you've got a 6-month warranty on it. All we ever ask for is you pay for the postage. So I hope you're happy with that, and again, thank you very much, Richard, and hope you have a great day and stay safe and everything else. Cheers, buddy.